A quiet Virginia suburb is rocked by a chilling mystery. A loving mother, a dedicated nurse, vanished without a trace. The search for Mamta Kafle Bhatt began like any other missing person case, but soon, dark secrets began to emerge. As days turned into weeks, suspicions grew. Then, a stunning twist, her own husband, Naresh Bhatt, now at the center of a shocking investigation. Did he hold the key to her disappearance? Or was something even more sinister at play? Join us as we unravel the gripping details of this high-stakes case, a story of love, betrayal, and the desperate search for justice. This is the mystery of Mamta Kafle Bhatt. Mamta Kafle Bhatt, a 28-year-old registered nurse and mother of two, was reported missing in late July. She was last seen on July 27 at UVA Health Prince William Medical Center in Manassas, where she worked. The next day, she posted a final video on her TikTok account, and then, she vanished without a trace. In the early days of the investigation, her husband, Naresh Bhatt, spoke to the media, expressing his concern and worry for his wife's safety. He told Vosa, "I'm the one who is suffering. She is my baby's mom. She is my wife. I don't know what I'm supposed to say." He also mentioned this wasn't the first time she had gone missing, which raised eyebrows and led to more questions. As the days passed, the investigation took a dark turn. On August 22, Naresh Bhatt was taken into custody. He was charged with a felony for the prohibition against concealment of a body. This came after authorities executed a search warrant at their home. Disturbingly, the preliminary criminal complaint alleges that Naresh may have murdered Mamta inside their home on July 30. According to Army records, Naresh is a former U.S. Army Reserve Automated Logistics Specialist. He served from June 2017 to February 2024 but had no deployments during his service. His sudden entanglement in this alleged crime has left many who knew him shocked and confused. July 27. Mamta Kafle Bhatt was last seen at her workplace, UVA Health Prince William Medical Center in Manassas, Virginia, where she worked as a registered nurse. July 28. Mamta posted the final video on her TikTok account. This was the last known communication from her before she went missing. July 30. According to the preliminary criminal complaint, this is the date when Mamta was allegedly murdered by her husband, Naresh Bhatt, inside their home. However, this is still under investigation, and no formal murder charges have been filed as of yet. July 31. Naresh Bhatt says he last saw his wife on July 31, he told investigators in a later interview. August 2. Police visited the couple's home on August 2 after her co-workers at the UVA Health Prince William Medical Center called for a wellness check on August 1. When police spoke with Bhatt, he provided additional information and told investigators he did not want to report her as missing at the time, police said. August 5. 3 days after the police welfare check, Bhatt reported his wife missing and told police he last saw her at the dinner table on July 31. He said he had not seen her since and stopped cooperating with investigators, according to Manassas Park Police. August 14. In an interview with Vosa on August 14, Bhatt said he ate dinner with Kafle Bhatt on July 31 when he last saw her. "It's life, very tough," he said. August 19. Authorities executed a search warrant at the Bhatt residence. This search was likely part of the investigation into Mamta's disappearance, aiming to uncover any evidence that could shed light on her whereabouts or what happened to her. August 22. Naresh Bhatt was arrested and charged with a felony for the prohibition against concealment of a body. The arrest came after authorities reportedly gathered enough evidence during their investigation and searches. August 23. Naresh Bhatt appeared in court for his arraignment. During this hearing, he faced the charge related to the concealment of a body but was not formally charged with murder. August 25. A vigil was held in honor of Mamta Kafle Bhatt. Community members gathered to show their support for her family and express their hope for justice. The police have yet to release more details on the evidence they have collected, and as of now, Naresh has not been formally charged with murder. The investigation is ongoing. The community is in shock as friends, family, and neighbors of Mamta Kafle Bhatt search for answers and justice in this heartbreaking case. In their desperate fight for truth, her loved ones have launched a GoFundMe campaign to support Mamta's children and cover the growing legal expenses. Your contribution could make a crucial difference in bringing justice to this tragic situation and highlighting the importance of standing by those in potentially dangerous circumstances. Thank you for watching.